Hi, my name is George. I'm a private land forestry program supervisor. I gave Lucidspark 5 of 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. Products we considered previous to choosing Lucidspark were OneNote, PowerPoint, and just plain old Notepad. OneNote did not work out for us because we could not tag ideas, color code them, or connect them to other ideas to easily and visually compare ideas and draw conclusions. PowerPoint is difficult to share ideas, and we'd have to manually email copies back and forth. And Notepad, of course, is just local, and you cannot tag ideas or categorize them or connect them to other ideas. We chose Lucidspark because it made collaborating and working together on documents and capturing ideas seamless and easy. We were able to work on the same document, tag ideas, categorize them, rank them, and connect them to other ideas to form a visual comparison and easily draw conclusions and form new ideas from those. It made managing brainstorming sessions much easier as we could share some or all of the documents with different team members. Diving into Lucidspark was seamless and easy. It's a browser-based software which made operating it smooth and flawless. As a previous Lucid Chart customer, the interface was familiar and comfortable, and it's made the learning curve very low and very easy for even our slowest adopters. My advice to anyone contemplating choosing Lucidspark would be to think about the number of users you wish to have access to this, considering their roles in your organization and how they will review and edit documents. Think carefully about how you put together teams and evaluate your different options before choosing anything.